Welcome to Nasu Shiobara, a city where everyday life is a celebration of the changing seasons. From the lively blossoms of spring to the warmth of summer, the vibrant hues of fall, and the tranquil snow-covered landscapes of winter. Escape the city noise and breathe easy in Nasu Shiobara City, a haven just a quick train ride away from Tokyo. Discover serenity within the tranquil landscapes of Nasu Shiobara, accessible by a swift 70-minute Shinkansen journey from the vibrant energy of Tokyo. This beautiful destination isn't merely about mountains and stunning views. It's your opportunity to experience authentic Japan. Nasu Shiobara's varied terrain, including high-altitude plateaus and mountainous regions, brings a refreshing climate. Temperatures here are 3 to 5 degrees Celsius cooler than Tokyo, offering a welcome escape. Nasu Shiobara is not only cooler in summer but also becomes a winter wonderland, delving into summer joy with outdoor adventures, lush greenery, and a diverse range of activities including skiing in winter and golfing year-round, making it an ideal destination throughout the year for nature enthusiasts. Explore enchanting towns with welcoming locals, and immerse yourself in the delightful experience of grocery shopping, discovering fresh local produce and connecting with the heart of the community. Venture beyond these charming towns and into the scenic landscapes of nearby Nasu Kogen, where both locals and visitors discover joy in breathtaking mountains, lush forests, art-filled galleries, historical museums, and amusement ranches. Additionally, indulge in relaxing hot springs surrounded by trees and hike through emerald embrace forests. Discover hidden golf havens nestled in the heart of nature, where you can tee off amidst breathtaking mountain panoramas. From savoring fresh local cuisine to cherishing quiet moments in nature, Nasu Shiobara is your haven waiting to be explored. Generations seamlessly intertwine in the heart of the city, where children's laughter blends with gentle greetings in a timeless tradition, offering a glimpse into the soul of authentic Japan. This tapestry of warmth welcomes you into its fold, inviting you to experience the joy of belonging in our community. Nasu Shiobara is more than just a location. It's a vibrant community where both residents and the city are eager to extend a welcoming hand, embracing individuals from all corners of the globe as they join our diverse community. Come unwind and discover your peace in this charming countryside community.